Vitamin D is important for a huge number of functions in the body, from supporting strong and healthy bones to maintaining your immune system. Most of your body's vitamin D comes from getting enough sunlight on your skin. In this video we talk about some symptoms of low vitamin D in your body, and also how to restore it in your body. Before we start, make sure like and subscribe to Alpha Health channel, and click the bell notifications for future contents. Now let's begin the video. 1. Achy and weak muscles. Muscles rely on certain amounts of vitamin D in order to function properly. When the vitamin is not there, this can cause sore, achy and weak muscles. This is the kind of feeling you often get when you have a viral infection like the flu. The pain can vary from fairly mild to severe and tends to get worse over time if the deficiency is not corrected. 2. Headaches and dizziness. These symptoms are common with high blood pressure, which is also a common complaint from those with vitamin D deficiency. High blood pressure, however, is often called a silent killer because, although it is a risk factor for heart attacks and strokes, some people have no warning signs at all. However, if you are having headaches and dizziness and you suspect that your blood pressure may be high, you should definitely talk to your doctor. 3. Feeling depressed. Another less well-known symptom of vitamin D is depression, with its symptoms of feeling sad, worthless or just plain blue. However, the good news is that once vitamin D levels are restored, these problems will often disappear and you can return to normal life. 4. Excessive sweat. If you notice that you sweat excessively but that there is no obvious cause for it, such as a fever, warm day or strenuous workout, you should also report this to the doctor as well. There is actually no good explanation for why low vitamin D levels can cause this problem, but it has been pretty well established in the medical literature, anyways. 5. Frequent infections. If you notice that you struggle with frequent urinary infections or with respiratory problems like the cold or the flu, then chances are your immune system might not be as strong as it should be. One reason for this could be a lack of vitamin D, which is found in high concentration in immune system cells and is needed for them to function. In one study, it was found that children who had high levels of this nutrient in their system had less chance of acquiring a cold or the flu. 6. Stomach troubles. If you have been diagnosed with a medical condition like celiac disease or inflammatory bowel disease, or if you simply have problems with things like heartburn or constipation, vitamin D might slow down how fast your body can push through the food that you eat. There is a definite link between digestive problems like celiac and other condition. You might ask, how to restore low levels of vitamin D? If you suspect that you might be low on vitamin D, report this problem to your doctor. A simple blood test will answer the question as to whether or not a deficiency is causing the problem. And the good news is that there are plenty of simple lifestyle changes you can make that can help you raise your low vitamin levels, including eating foods that are rich in vitamin D, either because they contain it naturally or they have been fortified. These include egg yolks, fatty fish like salmon and tuna, beef liver or some cheeses. Fortified dairy, cereals, juices or other fortified plant-based drinks. In short, vitamin D deficiency is one of the most common of vitamin deficiencies and there can be serious health consequences for this. The good news, however, is that eating a diet rich in this nutrient and getting exposed to sunlight several times a week can often help restore those levels to normal. Thank you for watching to this point. Don't forget like and subscribe for future contents.